Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure you stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Explorer, this generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you need to find where the AC clutch, fuses and relays are located, you will have quite a few of those because many fuses control the climate control HVAC system. We'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, for the AC clutch, which fuses and relays you need to check multiple ones, and we'll work not in one but two different fuse boxes. The first one is a little bit not so conveniently located. We need to open the driver door. Come, guys, in the driver's side footwell compartment, look behind the parking brake panel. Up in the dash on the very left side there is a fuse box with a black cover like this one. Press the tabs together, pull the cover out, you will find a fuse box. That's the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, in this fuse box we need to just check the two fuses, but then in another one we need to check quite a few. And the first one that we need to check is known as fuse 35. That's 33, 34, 35, that 5M fuse here. Then after this one, guys, you need to check fuse number 46. That's this 10M fuse there. Next, you need to open the hood on your Ford Explorer. On the driver's side, next to the car battery, is the main engine fuse box. You have two tabs here, press them, leave that cover open, and on the inside you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Specifically here we need to check fuse number 18, right here. Then you need to check fuse number 39, guys, right there. After that you need to locate fuse 62. So that will be 65, 64, 63, 62, that 10M fuse there. Next, we need to, guys, check fuse 70. So that's, okay, starting that way, that's 67, 68, 69, 70 right here. That's fuse 70. Then you need to check fuse 89 right here. And you need to check fuse 93, that 5M fuse there. Then you need to check three relays. One relay is 32, 34, and relay 98 will need to be checked. If you have problems where the AC air conditioner doesn't work, we have multiple videos on our YouTube channel that will explain why AC does not work or why AC blows hot air on Ford Explorer. Check it out, it will teach you the top 10 things that usually can cause the AC not to work properly. So, guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.